Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, man, we had a very big reversal today. And yes, it did go below the 61%, but I mean, really, it wasn't able to hold below the 61%. I think there's a chance this could be a complete ABC correction with that big impulsive move up. Now, what is really going to prove that to me is a break of structure, which we don't really have yet. We got some minor breaks of structure, but that really only proves that this last section is over. It doesn't really prove that the whole wave C is over until we get the break of structure right here. So hopefully this does end up going up, giving us that break of structure, confirming that we really are back into an uptrend, maybe a wave 4, maybe a wave 5 on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.